How to recover my eyes only photos on Snapchat. First, open Snapchat app. After that, go to your profile icon on top left corner. Now click on settings icon on top right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and on the support section tap on I need help. Again scroll down and tap on contact us. Now here you need to submit a request to Snapchat support. So click on option I need help with a Snapchat feature. Again scroll down and tap the option memories. Once more scroll down and tap on option my eyes only. After that you have to fill up this. Enter your username, email address, and here you have to add description. Under description you can explain as it follows. Once you are done with the description, tap on submit. After you submit this request to Snapchat support, you will receive feedback from Snapchat support within a few hours or days. So you need to wait until and you'll be able to recover your Snapchat My Eyes Only photos. So this is how you recover My Eyes Only photos on Snapchat. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us for more tutorials. Thank you.